Hi guys! Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, another attraction dito pa rin tayo sa Las Vegas, dito pa rin sa US of A. So guys, yes, if you haven't checked our previous video, previous American Las Vegas vlog guys, I hope you will watch it before you jump on this video. So anyway, highway, are you ready for some fun night explore attraction for today's video? What are we waiting for? Happy watching!
Ah, I see in the photo. That's running inside a ball. Oh.
So the hands come in the other side.
I know. Yeah, nobody on the other side.
Sure. We can talk about it.
I mean, you can just see Blue Man Group. We've seen that before.
I think the whole promenade's closed down, or oh, it's Hawaiian cookies. Oh, I think he was just joined someone's event. Go this way. Hey, now we're in the public area. We could have got free food back at the buffet. Okay, we turn around. Oh, that looks so impressive here. You need to stand back more, I think. There's In-N-Out burger. I need the second P as well. Oh, what's the cake bending again? Well, that's all I have anyway. It's a selfies museum. Let's have one of these. Okay, financial tour casino. I thought there was going to be more options on here, or more like fast food options, but there's something go to the left. Oh, that's Flamingo. You want a photo? I think it might be O'Shea's. There's a casino inside, but I think I may have like beer pong, a whole bunch of stuff. There's a helicopter. They're two of the people that I watch on YouTube. Those two. I think one of the right was JK, and one of the left was the other one, the Spanish one. Nice company all the time about part of that. I was curious if I'd actually see him, and yeah, one of the odds they are. They didn't stand out either. There you go, you better check the camera and cross check. The man wants, I think, part Filipino from San Diego. But for some reason, he's always here compared to San Diego. Burritos, this is so unique.
Was it our high? Remember when we were at the top? Remember when we were at the top and we were like
Top of it. I didn't put the.
know. I think there's only one option. We'll see.
They need you to harness.
So, that's it, guys. That's our Ka by Cirque du Soleil, guys. So, we watch a circus dito sa Las Vegas, guys. So, if you've been in Las Vegas, guys, madami siyang performance sets dito sa mga tita. So, inside the casino, guys. So, one of the circus dito, guys, yung famous ay Cirque du Soleil. So, Cirque du Soleil is a circus, guys. Kung makikita nyo, guys, meron mga show sila sa different area, different countries, guys. So, yes, this is my first time to watch a Cirque du Soleil. Dito pa rin tayo sa Las Vegas. So, the Ka is one of the performance moving theater na nakita nyo kanina. It's very fancy, but we cannot film because it's very prohibited. There's a lot of personnel na mag-watch sa inyo sa likod kasi nga bawal mag-film, guys. Pero maganda siya kasi Kai is a twin siblings na nagkahiwalay sila, in short, and then at the end nagkakita sila, guys. So yes, guys, maganda. Maraming mga nangyari dun sa stage. May mga binaliktad yung stage, nagkatubig yung stage, naging forest yung stage. And yes, guys, so highly duly recommended if you will be in Las Vegas or if you are planning to go to Las Vegas, guys. Dito sa MGM Grand sila yung theater na nag-perform yung Ka Cirque du Soleil. There's a lot of Cirque du Soleil, guys, like Beatles and Michael Jackson and so on and so forth sa different casino dito sa Las Vegas, guys. So, it's a very fun night na nakita namin ni Jax. And maganda may mga basaan, guys, doon. Hindi ko lang ma-film kasi nga madaming mga, it's prohibited. We cannot film the entire show, guys. So, nakita nyo lang kanina yung pagpasok namin ng tita. So, very fancy, very Asian, guys, ang vibes doon, guys. May mga fly from the left, fly from the right, guys. So, yes, fantastic, super big, guys, and highly recommended if you are in Las Vegas. So yes, guys, and after that, another next day, guys, ito sa Las Vegas, we tried the famous ZIPLINE dito sa Link Promenade. If you've been in my channel, guys, nag-walk tayo dito, walk through sa ating Link Promenade dito sa Las Vegas Strips, dito sa Nevada, guys. It's very famous kasi it's a alley or it's a walkable area. So left and right, there's a lot of restaurants, guys, cafes dito. So may kita nyo dito ang In-N-Out Burger restaurant or chain, guys. So nakita nyo naman kanina, guys. And yes, we tried the ZIPLINE. So, there's also two options. If you want to be a Superman, yung bababa ka, or if you want to sit down, and then you can go to the ZIPLINE. So, yes, guys, you need to do the consent form at the bottom, and then meron mga lift doon na itataas ka sa taas, and then you have to queue again, guys. Wait for your turn. If you have a bag, they will put your bag underneath your seat if you will do the sit down zipline, and if you want to do the Superman, which is the one you lay down pababa, so meron din naman nakalagay doon, pwede ilagay mga bag, but we cannot film, guys, kasi bawal ang camera, bawal hawakan ng camera, guys. You need to have your attachment, or you will put something, pero nakalimutan kasi namin. Pero it's a great experience. If you are in Las Vegas, guys, you must try this zipline dito sa Link Promenade. They call it FLYLINQ Las Vegas, guys. Yes, guys. So, you need to purchase the ticket, guys, through online, through their website, and I will put their stockman in my description box down below, and you can check it out. So, very, naman siya, manageable, guys. Maganda naman siya, guys. Hindi na, nakakalula kapag if you're first time, pero pag hindi kayo first timer, guys, yes, you can do Superman, or you can do sitting one. So yes, guys, very professional naman. It's very safe. They also have a lot of safety gear, so they will put on you while you will hang on the line. So yes, guys, ayun na nga, this is the end of our video for today, our show and our attraction. Dito pa rin tayo sa Las Vegas, dito sa Nevada, sa US of A. That's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoyed watching, you learned something today, plus you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting our video, and mega love shout out each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy our video for today, and please subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified for our next video, and please comment down below if you like this video pa. See you on my next one. Bye bye, guys. Be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Ciao!